What's up, everybody? It's me, Vinny Grillbot, for Star Shop here in my backyard having a barbecue. I got a few friends and family on deck. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Who else would be here hosting the party? My mom is the ultimate host, the life of the party. All right, Ma, looks like the party's winding down.
Okay, we're going to clean the grill now?
Yeah, but
Who's cleaning, me or you?
I'm about to introduce you and her to the world's first grill cleaning robot, the Grillbot. You're going to clean first, and then we're going to test out the Grillbot.
Why am I cleaning first?
Because we're going to test out the Grillbot. It's going to be like a race between you and technology.
Okay, so in other words, I'm cleaning.
And the Grillbot.
And the Grillbot.
How you doing with it?
Great.
No, you're not. You're having a hard time. All right, Ma, I'm going to show you how it works. Get this old, dirty scraper out of here and watch the Grillbot do its magic.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
It can actually be used on a cold or hot grill up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 2 brush types, and it can clean any style of a grill.
Do you use any, like, chemicals?
Well, it's
or
actually just this cleaning settings on it at the touch of a button. Set a timer on it, and then you just let it do its thing. So this is a water-resistant shell to protect the Grillbot. It goes inside like this. It weighs less than 5 pounds.
Very nice. And you take it to go.
All right, Ma, so you saw the Grillbot in action, and now the grill is clean, but I'm going to actually show you what's doing the work now on the Grillbot. It has these brushes on it, which just pop right out. One brush lasts up to 50 to 75 uses before replacement. So you get to clean your grill all summer.
You get to clean the grill.
Not anymore. The Grillbot's cleaning. We're going to let it do its job, so now me and you can go get a drink. See, Ma, why break a sweat when you can let the Grillbot do all the work? Never have to clean the grill again. Star shoppers, go add the Grillbot to your shopping cart.
Yes, the grill was spotless.
Tell them to add it to the shopping cart.
Add it to your shopping cart.
You
Absolutely.
Know what that means?
No. What does that mean?
Who cares?
When I go
Cheers.
shopping. Okay.
No, it's all electronic now.
Oh, no.
Technology.
Thank you very much.